Happy new week, guys. It is a brand new week. It is Tuesday. I was going to start this yesterday on bank holiday Monday, but I literally didn't do anything. My butt was sat on the sofa the whole day, so it would have been so boring. So yeah, I'm starting it today. It is another weekly vlog. I haven't really been up to much so far. I went to the gym and I also did some training stuff for my exams coming up for flying, so done that earlier. I don't really have much planned for this week, I'm not gonna lie. So I literally have a hair on my lip and it is, oh, I might have got it. Oh no, it's still there. Oh my god, isn't this the most annoying thing? Oh, there it is. I got it. There we go. Yeah, I don't really have much planned for this week, I'm not gonna lie. But I thought I would bring you guys along anyway. I like watching home vlogs, so hopefully it won't be too boring for you. And yeah, oh, we've had a few people come around to quote our garden, because as you guys know, we're getting our garden done for summer. But we're actually waiting on the quotes. So they came around last week, said they would email us with quotes. None have yet, so we are waiting. So yeah, hopefully that'll be soon, because we'd love to get our garden done ASAP, really. What else have I been up to? Oh my god, I went to go see Sean Paul on Saturday. I was going to film some clips and then I was just like, there's just no point because it will get copyrighted. So yeah, but it was so fun. We went to Birmingham and yeah, watched Sean Paul singing along and dancing along. It was so fun. Went to a bottomless brunch beforehand, so that was fun. And then yeah, it was Easter Sunday. Went to my mum's house. All my family were there. We ate some yummy dinner, got some Easter eggs, all of that fun stuff. And then we are all caught up to today. So we are all caught up. Like I said, I'll bring you guys along. Not really sure how much fun this vlog is going to be, but there we go. This week I do have a plan. I'm trying to rest you on like my makeup brush holder right now. I have a tripod, I just can never be bothered to get it. But my goal for this week is transition my wardrobe. It's a task, guys, it's a task. I still currently have my whole autumn winter wardrobe out in my wardrobes at the minute, and I need to rotate it to the spring summer clothes. Not that it really feels like summer at the minute because it's just non-stop cloudy. It was pouring with rain all day yesterday, but you never know, England's unpredictable. We could have a really hot day tomorrow and then that's the only hot day we have for like 2 weeks. So I need to transition it all out just in case we get a really nice day and then I don't have anything to wear. And I also need to go through all this stuff anyway because I bet there's tons in here that I just don't really like anymore, just not really my vibe anymore or don't fit anymore. So yeah, I need to go through all of my spring summer stuff, try stuff on, and then whatever I don't like, I will probably put it up on my Vinted. So if you haven't checked out my Vinted already, go check it out. Let me check my username. I'll have it linked down below anyway, but I already have stuff up there at the minute. When we moved, I put loads of stuff up there and it like sold so quickly. So yeah, my username is literally just Olivia A Butler. I don't know if that's gonna load. Yeah, it's just Olivia A Butler. It's basically my Instagram handle. But yeah, I'll have it linked down below for you anyway. But I have some bits and pieces on there anyway. Some hen do bits that I'm just not gonna wear again. So if you're a bride-to-be, have a look up there. And I also got down some of the spring summer stuff the other day and there was some dresses and play suits and stuff that I just don't want anymore, so I've put those up as well. So yeah, keep an eye out on that, and that's basically my mission for this week. Not really fun, but has to be done. Look at me, I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Guys, this is literally the situation I'm in at the minute. All my coats are out. I need to like put them away. This is like all my summer stuff. I've started making a pile of stuff I need to put on Vinted. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. That's stuff that I've already put on Vinted. Those are like specifically like holiday clothes, like holiday cover-ups. Basically just stuff that I'm not going to wear in England, so that needs to go in a separate bag. And then I need to go through all of this. This is, again, more summer stuff, but I need to go through it, figure out if there's anything I want to get rid of, and then all the stuff I want to keep put away. Obviously I need to put all these coats away, but I did start putting my summer dresses away. So I've kept these jackets out because I thought they are quite good like all year round jackets, I think. Let me know what you think, but obviously I live in England, so I do need jackets. I have 2 denim jackets, a lighter wash and a darker wash, that I love for like peak summer, like in the evenings. I love a denim jacket, throw it on, yeah, love it. But obviously at the minute it's still pretty cold, so I decided to keep some jackets out. So I've kept this like what would you, I don't know what this like material is, but I literally live in this jacket. I just thought it was like a good transitional jacket. It's not like fleece lined, so it's not like super warm, but it is if it's like cold, do you know what I mean? Cardigan is always great. This kind of shacket thing, although I haven't worn that in ages, but I feel like it's a good staple. This trench coat I literally wear like all the time in spring, so yeah, love that. Blazer, another trench. To be honest, I don't really wear this one, but yeah, I'm still gonna keep it. Another blazer. I love blazers for evenings. Another cardigan. To be honest, this is kind of autumny, isn't it? But and this is quite autumny, but oh god, I don't know. I actually really like this jacket. It's like khaki. It's from River Island, but years ago. I mean, you could probably tell from like the label, but I still love it. So I don't know, can I get away with wearing that like spring, summer? I don't know. I love this blazer from Motel Rocks for like nights out. It's just like a typical dad oversized blazer. Obviously my 2 denim jackets, and then this PLT jacket that I feel like everyone has, and then some like faux leather jackets, which are always like a good staple to have. So yeah, I've kept those jackets out. I don't know, let me know if there's any that you reckon that I should take out and basically like shouldn't wear it in spring, summer. Is there anything like that is specifically for autumn, winter? I feel like I've got a pretty good mix here. And then yeah, I put out all my, these are all my like summer dresses. I actually got rid of quite a lot because I actually had loads. But yeah, I've done like a big clear out already. So yeah, check my Vinted if you haven't already. But yeah, here's just like an overview. Obviously I've got loads of white. I'm literally obsessed with wearing white in summer. Yeah, it's pretty colourful for me actually. This dress is really cute. This is from H&M a couple years ago. Oh, I love this dress. I got this from Hollister last year and I love it. So nice. But yeah, and this dress, I don't know, is this like an autumn winter dress? It's like a shift denim dress, but it's khaki. I don't know. Could I get away with wearing that in the spring? And then I need to actually like sort out all my shoes and stuff, because obviously I've got all my like boots and stuff for winter, which obviously could be taken out and I could replace with my sandals, which probably is a good idea, to be honest. But yeah, that's basically the situation at the minute with my wardrobe. I feel like it's a process. It's definitely a process. I need to get, here we go, my charger. Because I feel like I need to start editing this video, because I want to try and get it up tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully I can get it up tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, this vlog probably isn't the most riveting. It's probably not the best, most interesting vlog, but this is literally what I'm doing at the minute, because like I said, my wardrobe's stressing me out. I actually received a couple of PR packages this week, so maybe I will show you those. If I put you, I'm trying to like rest you on stuff. Okay, so this is the first package. This is from Jerome Russell, Be Styled. Maybe I'll just turn the camera around. Yeah, so this is the first package that I got. Both the packages I got are actually hair care, which is quite funny, and it means that I'm all stocked up. I'm all topped up for summer. But yeah, from the sounds of it, these are new products, so always excited to try new products. I'm actually really excited for this because I love just air drying my hair in the summer. And my hair is actually naturally wavy, so I'm excited to give that a go. Also love like a multi-spray as well, because I'm pretty lazy, so anything to like cut down the amount of things I'm doing is great. What is this? Volume Elixir Weightless Bounce and Shine. Freeze and Gloss Spray. Oh, so is that like a hairspray? How strange, because it's in one of like those pumps. Ooh. Little claw clip. I literally love getting claw clips. I'm literally obsessed with claw clips. My hair is always in a claw clip. If you ever see me, I've 90% of the time got these one in my hair. And also a couple of products from the Knot Doctor. I've never heard of this brand before, but yeah, I'm excited to give that a go. And then I also received a package from Pureology. And this is the NanoWorks Gold range, shampoo, conditioner, and then another multi-spray, but this one's 21 benefits. How cool is that? So yeah, again, I've heard loads of good things about Pureology. I mean, I've already tried loads of Jerome Russell products, and I do love them, so I have a feeling I'm going to love these as well. But yeah, I've never tried Pureology, but I've heard really, really good things about it, so I'm excited to give these a go. But yeah, I always don't know whether to show you like packages that I receive, like PR packages and stuff, 'cause I feel like it is kind of controversial. I don't know. I feel like some people get really wound up when content creators show PR packages that they receive. But I don't know about you, but I literally love seeing what other people have been getting, and then also if they like it or not, because they're going to give you an honest review. Do you know what I mean? They're not being, like, I'm not being paid to be sent these items. Do you know what I mean? They're being sent so I can try them and be honest with my followers if I like them or not. So yeah, I'm always just like intrigued. I'm always intrigued to see like what new things are out at the minute, because that's the only really way that I figure out what's new at the minute, because I don't really sit there online like looking at new in products on like Sephora or Look Fantastic. So that's like my way of seeing like new products and being like, oh, that sounds good, I want to try that. But yeah, I just went on a little tangent there because I never know whether to show my packages. Oh, Billy's ringing me. But yeah, I never know whether to show my packages or not, but let me know. And if you don't want me to, I won't in the future, but if you do, then I will. But yeah.